I already see construction. Although this can't be Toy Story Land or Galaxy's Edge because it's parking lot, I think. Wow, look at all those walls up there. Oh guys, this is the Skyway. Whoa, is that the station that will drop off? That's looking pretty fancy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Those cranes are probably Galaxy's Edge cranes, and maybe that mountainy thing. What is that mountainy thing? Are those the mountains of Batu? Why, hello there friends, my name's Emma. I'm the Bookish Princess. Today we're going on a stroll over to Hollywood Studios. So Toy Story Land opens June 30th, so not for a month, sadly. Galaxy's Edge doesn't open for a while as well. And of course the Skyway is under construction, but I thought it'd be fun to see what the status of all the construction is. From right here you can see the Skyway pylons stretching back. It's gonna be so cool when the Skyway is open. Just imagine the gondolas gliding up to Hollywood Studios. Oh wow, it's gonna go right along the palm trees. Or well, not quite right along. Oh my gosh, is this like a super secret hidden
Was
Mickey?
it an accident and somebody dropped their ice cream bar on wet cement? It's perfectly shaped like one of the Mickey ice cream.
That must be the new station. Wow, that's gonna be so crazy. You can get off the Skyliner and get out right here. Oh yeah, here. There's the map. Art of Animation, Pop, Caribbean, Riviera, Epcot and Hollywood Studios. That's really cute. Wow. That's crazy.
That's the one they're building over at Caribbean Beach. So you'll...
No, it's not the open ski lift. They're saying it's going to be like an open ski lift. Look at this, guys. Galaxy's Edge entrance. They planted all these trees. I wonder what it looks like inside. It must be so cool to be able to go inside. I think those two mountains we saw from the entrance, I bet they belong to Galaxy's Edge. How cool is it going to be when this is open? How crazy are the lines going to be? Oh, I hear thunder. Although, you know, The Last Jedi even made me less excited about Galaxy's Edge, which I wouldn't have thought anything to do. But they just really let me down with that. I feel like the people who run Star Wars now don't really get Star Wars. And it's sad. Live Your Adventure 2019. What is that supposed to be? Is that a thing? Does it actually mean something? I'm gonna have to look this up. It's gonna be so nice when this isn't a dead end. Oh look, there's Woody. I was so turned around. I thought Toy Story Land was gonna be down there. It's right here. So we're gonna go in here? I'm so confused.
And they're going in there too. We're everyone there.
Wait, so
this is gonna be the new exit.
Although, shouldn't it exit into...
This is emergency exit.
Oh, this is an emergency. Screens are out at the moment. So weird.
Inside the game trim at all times.
Have fun. Oh, we got Wheezy. Hey, should I take the green one? It matches my outfit. Here we go. Not too bad. Best in score? Oh, it must have been one of the brothers. Actually, it wasn't one of my brothers who got the 155. It was my mom. This is gonna be open before you know it. Toy Story Land. I wish I was taller. I wish selfie sticks were allowed. There's some Tinker toys. I think Woody's in there. Can you guys see him? Here we go. From back here you can see a lot more. Oh, well, not a lot more, but a little more. There's Woody. See him? What? Oh, so here's the map. Oh, look at the little Tinker Toy bridge. That's gonna be cute. Coming soon.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, due to inclement weather conditions, we are unable to present the March of the First Order.
Because stormtroopers don't like the rain. Their masks only filter out smoke, not toxins.
Our eyes are on you.
Or rain.